Hey friends, I'm Stacy and this is Gorgeously Aging, and today we are talking about exosomes and what they can do for the skin. I'm going to cover what exosomes are, the benefits, how it's best used to treat the skin, and what my favorite exosome treatment is. I've been using exosomes for years now, and they are definitely scientifically proven to make the cells in the skin behave like they did when they were younger. So exosomes are a small membrane-bound vesicle that is secreted by the cell into the extracellular environment. Exosomes play a key role in cell-to-cell communication. Scientists have found that when healthy cells send exosomes to an unhealthy cell, it actually improves the cell. So when older skin is treated with exosomes, it is repairing the skin on a cellular level. Now, most exosome treatments have other things in the skin booster treatment than just exosomes. There's generally other really wonderful ingredients like hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, adenosine, polynucleotides, glutathione, and biotin. So typically, your exosome-based skin boosters are a powerhouse of incredible ingredients. So I like to use exosomes a lot in microneedling. You can use them alone, or you can cocktail them with some of your other favorite skin boosters. They can also be used in mesotherapy. I have tons of free microneedling videos here on YouTube that you can check out. Microneedling is safe and effective to do at home, and honestly, it's really quite easy. As a 53-year-old master in medical esthetician, microneedling is something I recommend to everyone over the age of 30. Not only is it cost-effective and safe to do at home, but there is very little downtime. It's super quick and easy, and the benefits are incredible, especially with consistent monthly microneedling. Now, each month you could change to a different skin booster, but honestly, my favorite exosome skin booster has so many incredible powerhouse ingredients, you really don't have to add anything else into the cocktail. It is good as it is. If you're curious what my favorite is, go to gorgeouslyaging.com/exosome. I think the easiest way to get exosomes into the skin is through microneedling. So let's just go over the benefits. So of course, like I mentioned before, that cell-to-cell communication, healing, and repairing that exosomes do in the skin is incredible. As skin ages, our cells don't respond the way they did when they were young, and this helps to repair that cellular damage. Aging skin will definitely benefit from this treatment, and it will also boost hydration. Exosomes are great for skin smoothing and skin brightening, and they also will help treat hyperpigmentation. Exosomes are a great anti-aging treatment because of that cellular communication repair, but also because of the fibroblast stimulation and collagen boosting properties of exosomes. Because the fibroblasts and collagen are stimulated with the exosomes, this will definitely improve skin elasticity. So for anybody using skin boosters of any kind for microneedling at home, definitely do a little patch test just to make sure there's nothing in the formula that is irritating to your skin. Most skin boosters are formulated to be effective and safe for all skin types, and generally they are hyperallergenic. But it is always a good practice to do a patch test to make sure that it's safe for your skin. To do a patch test with microneedling, just take an alcohol swab, clean off an area toward the back of your face, and microneedle just a little bit of the skin booster you're going to be using. Wait for 12 to 24 hours, and just make sure you don't have a rash, itchiness, or any kind of irritation. Now, you might have some redness because that's typical when you do microneedling, but allergic response is usually more inflamed and itchy. You can generally tell the difference. If you're unsure after your initial patch test, do a slightly larger area, and then wait about 12 hours and see how that responds. Erythema or redness and dryness after microneedling is really common. So my favorite exosome skin booster is listed at gorgeouslyaging.com/exosome, and there is a 10% discount code for you. If you are someone that is just not comfortable with DIY, mesotherapy, or microneedling, definitely check in with a provider near you and ask them about exosome treatments. Thank you guys so much for sharing a piece of your day with me. Be good to yourselves and to others, and I'll see you in my next video.